This 2016 primetime LaCrosse 331BHT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used primetime is 37 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, self-contained, spare tire kit, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, awning, TV, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 primetime LaCrosse 331BHT is 8,323 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.